Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your Airtable API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, you'll need to open up your Airtable homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll want to draw your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a menu with several options. Among these options, find and click on Builder Hub. This section is where you'll manage all the API-related functionalities of your Airtable account. Once inside the Builder Hub, look for the Personal Access Tokens section. Click on Personal Access Tokens, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage existing tokens or create new ones. Since we're going to create a new one, our next step is to click on Create Token. After clicking Create Token, you'll be prompted to name your token. Make sure to choose a descriptive name that reflects what you'll be using it for. With your token named, continue to the next part. You'll then be presented with an option to add a scope. You'll see a variety of options based on the permissions you wish to grant. For this example, let's select data.records.read. This choice will allow the token to read records from your tables. Now you'll need to add resources. If you want your token to have access to all your Airtable sources, click on Add All Resources. Alternatively, if you only want it to have access to a specific base, you can select that option instead. Once you've set everything up according to your needs, proceed by clicking Create Token. A pop-up should appear confirming that your token has been successfully created. It's in this pop-up that you'll find your token displayed. Make sure to copy your token from here, as this may be the only time it's displayed for security reasons. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.